how to change the Facebook page name on Android and iOS. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. It's actually pretty easy to do. All you want to do is go to the menu, then right here go to pages, like this. Then go to any page you want. I'm just gonna click on this one. Then you want to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. In here you can see page info. So if you click on there, you can see the about. So you can see the name, category, and all of this. Now you want to click on name, and if you click on there, you'll be brought to this sort of like page, and here you can enter a new page name. So here you can see Facebook page naming tips. Now you do want to, match these requirements, so don't mislead people and stuff like that. But then you just want to type in something new. So I'm just gonna do like HTTP page, click on continue, and it says request change. Now it says our review may take up to 30 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. So keep that in mind. And once you're happy with this, you can click on request change like this, and then click on OK. So this may, or like as it said, this may take up to 3 days for it to actually change. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.